Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Kelly Snow. I don't know what it is in the envelope, but let's open it and find out. Trust me, I've cleaned this. I'm trying not to cut anything. So the envelope is made out of a paper bag. That's kind of neat. And it is a birthday card. Oh, look how pretty. She's got a flower cut out of purple uh, cardstock with a banner on top of, looks like burlap or some eyelash trim. And then she's got some twine over here, which is tied here. Ooh. Let me see what it says inside before I show. Okay, pretty neat. Hydrangeas, and it is collected in the late summer of 1876. Isn't that pretty? And on here it says, "May your special day and the coming year too be the finest and best that you ever know." Thank you, Kelly. That is really neat. And she put these die cuts in here. So we have a specimen window or a shaker window. We'll find out what I use it for. And we have a wine bottle that says, "I can wine all I want. It's my birthday." I don't. We have a tag with a vintage lady, and it looks like it may be one of her, okay, why is my camera kind of crooked? There we go. One of her digis. And then we have "Happy Birthday." It looks like a coaster. That's pretty neat. But she has inked this one and this one. This is a digi. And she has this one is a ZZ plant. Looks like a cow. Looks like a cactus to me. So these are pretty neat. Thank you, Kelly. This was a great surprise. And I want to thank you all. Thank Kelly, first of all, for this birthday card. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank you all for watching. Be kind, be nice, be gentle, and be caring. Be safe. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of when videos come up. Again, thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye, crafty angels.